Alright guys, so in this section I'm going to show you how you can update your profile, your affiliate details. Now this is very important. In fact, it's the most crucial thing when it comes to your making money on this platform. So remember, we stopped at the dashboard area. This is the dashboard area. So now I want to update affiliate details. We want to put our bank accounts, our bank name, and any other thing that's necessary. So what you need to do, just come over to your name right here. The tab is going to drop down, then click on profile. So once you click on profile, you can now enter your details. So here you can update your profile details. So here you can include, you can add a picture of yourself, an image. It's not important, but if you want, you can put it there. So you have your name there. Please remember, your name must be same as your bank name. So I've told you earlier, you can, it must be when you were registering, so it must be the same as your bank name, John Anavi. Then so once we send it to your bank account, it just gives us, automatically generates your name. So we don't have to start calling you or waste our time, because we might just have to push that aside for a later date. So then the next thing is, you can leave this. If you have a business name, maybe you have a blog or anything, you can put not the link, you just put the blog name. Maybe, for instance, if I'm going to put a business details, I just say I can put my business, I can say online monthly income. Now the reason is so that we can always reference your business or any other thing in our promotions or anything, just to give you a push ahead, more visibility, and any other thing that might help you get more success in your business. So now this is where it's much more very important. So in this address section, where you have street address, now that basically is just to contact, to reach out to you in case of problems. So what you need to do here is to include your Facebook ID here. Yes, include your Facebook link, your Facebook profile link right here. So if we're going to get in touch with you, or if we're going to mention you or do anything, just include your Facebook ID here. So you can see this is my own Facebook profile link. So if you click on right here and then you search, you're going to find my Facebook profile link. So if you don't know how to do that, just go to your profile. Let me see if I can access mine from here. Just go to Facebook and then click on your name, and then you find your profile link. You can see, so this is my own Facebook profile right here. Okay, I'm not actually logged into my PC. I'm not logged into Facebook right now, but this is my profile. So for you, just locate your profile, just click on your name. So you can see, just click on your name, and then you find your profile. You just right click and then copy the link address. So once you copy it, head over to this place and then you just paste it right there, so you can see. So this is my profile link on Facebook. So locate your own and then add it to this place. So the next thing is under this city option, you include your bank accounts. Yes, your bank name, sorry, include your bank name. So I'm going to use, if you don't know the names of your bank, you can see, so just search, and if it's possible, please use popular banks. Use popular banks that people know, so it will be easier for us to process your transfer. So just make sure you use your bank. If it's Wema Bank, Unity Bank, Sterling Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Jais Bank, Zenith Bank, Union Bank, whatever bank, just input the name of your bank. And to be very good, if you can actually write them in full. Let me use UBA. So I'll just copy this in full. Okay, sorry, this is United Bank of Africa, so I can use UBA or anything. So just make sure you're putting the name of your bank right there. You can see, and then the account number, just include it right here. So this is my account number. Remember the bank name under city, and then your zip code should be your bank account number. So the next thing, you can also include your phone number. I think I did that the other time, so let's just put that like that. So I think that's all about. So if you have a website, you have a business you are doing online, you have a sales page, you have an offer you are selling online, you have a course or maybe your YouTube channel, anything you want to promote, so that we can always mention you, so you can put it, you can include it right here under the website section. So here I can just say, I'm going to put my freelance website here. I'll just say johnanavi.com. So that's my freelance, my freelance, freelance site, my portfolio site, where I actually offer online activities for people. So I'm just going to put that like that. So you can include your own website. It could be your blog site, it could be your website, anything. Just make sure it's something that's directed to your own, so we can give you more visibility to your business. So you can see four things that are important in this section. Is number one, your Facebook ID. It's very important. In fact, of course, it will not hold you from getting paid, but it will, it won't actually help you. You'll be losing a lot of stuff if you don't have that right here. So make sure you add your Facebook profile link here. And then here include your bank account, which bank you want to use, UBA, Zenith, Sterling Bank, whatever bank. Just include the name here. Please make sure you are specific and it's very clear. And then your bank account, please make sure you give us the right bank account details right here. Then your phone number, you can include your phone number in this place. Then right here you can include your whatever websites, whatever offer, whatever products you are selling, coaching, training, anything you are selling or software. Just include a link right here so we can give you more visibility when needs arise. So that's all about. So once you are done, just click on save. Okay, this is going to be stuff. So just click on save. So once you click on save, your profile will be okay. I need to confirm. You can see the password confirmation does not match. So I need to confirm my password to update my details. So I'll just go ahead and click on and then retype my password. Then I'm going to click on save my new profile updates details. So let's see if that's going to go through. Alright, so you can see successfully profile has been updated. So you can see here the profile has been updated. So you are good to go now. Everything is all set for you to get profit. So the next video now is how you can get your affiliate link. So remember I told you about 24 hours, your link should have been ready. So let's now go into the next video and show you how to grab your affiliate link. So thank you. I'm going to see you very, very soon. Thank you and bye-bye.